I don't care anything. If you watch me, then I can talk about anything. Yes, I think I can. I'm gonna talk about Evil Morty. Hey, hey, I am Prophet, and today I'm gonna talk about Evil Morty. Yes, today I don't use my headphones because my headphones literally literally screwed my all videos. I don't know. No generation doesn't work. I have no idea. Yes, my tools are not beautiful, but I'm trying to do something, and maybe you can support me. But whatever. If you don't want, you can. If you don't want, you shouldn't. Okay. Now, even Morty. Every, almost every Rick and Morty fans knows him, and some of some of them likes him. Not likes him as the like a girl likes a boy. Not this about likes his power, his completely completely inevitable reality, because he like the robot and human, which is cyborg, and also I likes him. Fuck. Also, I like him about his cyborg powers. What's his story? His story is like normal. Rick, mm, I don't know which episode and which season, but Rick and Morty come from, which is this Rick is the worst Rick. I don't evil Rick, yes, evil Rick, and they come from an adventure which there are the future things. Yes, and the thing which shows the future. I don't know what it is. And when they come, Rick, I think this is normal for even more thing. But what happened at that moment happened for him in his reality. Rick said him, "You are useless." No, don't say to him you are useless. I don't remember, but likely said these things, and freaked Evil Morty up. And after Evil Morty gave him the things. I don't want to speak. I don't want to call his name because I don't know YouTube care it or not, cares it, cares it or not. So I don't want my YouTube channel to burn. So this, so Rick drinks these things and be drunk. He is high, and Evil Morty create a thing which use which use this machine or whatever uh, machine to manipulate evil when to manipulate evil Rick's brain. Actually, evil Rick's himself, not brain. He doesn't need his brain. He doesn't need Rick's brain because he has a chip in his brain and makes him as much as possible like makes him makes him so intelligent as much as possible, as much as Rick, as also as much as Rick, maybe so much powerful. Yes, this not his nature power. This not his nature intelligence. So please, I want to do something. Yes, I'm here. This is so beautiful. Yes. Where did I left? Where did I live? Yes. Evil Morty, which his intelligence is not nature, but and no not but and this makes him likely an AI, likely AGI, and his decision is to completely destroy all the tricks up, and he also did this in the end, which season I don't know. And after we only saw him in the season 9 episode 1. Maybe I remember correctly or properly because I did watch it 2 days ago. Yes, they publish new season. Yes, I don't like the second and the third episodes because second and third episodes are not likely Rick and Morty, and they are likely copying the patterns of the other movies or whatever things, and try to refer to them. But they don't need to make the Rick and Morty to refer to them. They only need to copy the patterns of the other movies and other realities and create a new pattern. Do try to refer to the kung fu. Why do you need that? This is this is illogical, but whatever. But I think the next one so will be so well, so good or whatever. Yes. Why I like why I like Evil Morty? Because Evil Morty is completely pure. What is X mission? He, I like him because I like his intelligence. What comes from where it comes from? Because it's about chip, brain chip, and we also want this. Yes, we also want to completely connect our brain to in chip. But I don't like the concept about doing doing only we are doing is on only using the chips. No, these chips should only do. Actually, these chips don't do something like CPU does. These chips literally try to make our synapse connections and synapse and our learning rate so mm, so faster than before. What it does then, if our chips does this thing, then our brain literally will be improved. But if these chips, which in the Evil Morty, a little bit, yes, does the same thing what I pointing to right now. If these chips like the CPU and GPU completely do the all the calculations for the brain and makes the brain completely lazy, and this doesn't mean your brain will be able to do something what humans nature does. Humans nature is about creation. Yes, humans are creative, but if someone use these chips as RAM, CPU or GPU and may and doing and his only doing is using these chips to skip all the calculations and to skip all the things which makes his brain powerful, then which makes his brain creative. Yes, brain needs data, needs processing data to be creative. And if his brain only get the answer, his brain will never be creative. This is like Evil Morty. I don't like his this part, but I like his the part about cyborg being cyborg. Yes, I don't know how much the video duration is, but I think it is enough. And I'm trying to completely, what is it? Yes, stuttering. My completely finish my setting up. Completely. This story is completely up. And here is, I am the prophet. No, this not great. We need something much more beautiful. Here is, I am the prophet, and is gonna do something much more powerful in the future. You'll see.